blessing. Tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Hitherto thy love has blessed me, thou hast drawn me to this place, and I know thy hand will lead me safely home by thy good grace. Jesus served me when a stranger, wandering from the fold above. He to rescue me from danger interpose his precious love. Debtor, daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fetter bind my wandering heart.